Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We showcasing this factory reproduction wheel and many more that we sell in Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Factory Reproduction FR55. This one comes 22x9 plus 24, 78 center bore, 6 on 5.5, and a gloss black. Whenever you shop for this replica wheel, shop this part number 552-902-46502. It'll take you straight to that wheel. I'll open it up. Let me know in the comments below if there's another replica wheel that you guys want me to showcase. Don't hesitate, give us a call, let us know. So here you go. And let's see what this thing looks like. All right, so here you have it. Let's take out this film. And here you have it, your gloss black 22-inch FR55. Great looking wheel for those guys that want that factory look, maybe just in a bigger size, and great fitment. I think you won't use the factory lug nut, you'll use an aftermarket conical seat lug nut. We do carry them, we'll include them in with the set. These are hub centric 78. So the back side, let me show it to you. It will be hub centric to your vehicle, 78.1, and then fit any GM, Chevy, or Cadillac vehicle. So great looking concave style, and the fitment is an OEM fit. Let me give you the wheel weight on this 22-inch wheel. I think most of you factory car guys want to know what this wheel weighs in at. So here you have it, 22-inch at 41 pounds. Okay, so if you guys are interested in any factory wheel, replica style wheel, check out Factory Reproductions and check out this FR55 and feel free to give us a call. Thank you.